Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you guys have a Fiat 500, you need to find the relays for the fog lights. The fog lights do not work. Stay with us, we'll explain where the relay is located, where you can buy guys cheap relays from, and how to test the relay. All that will be shared on in this video today. And if your fog lights still do not work after checking the relay, the fuse, we'll have a special video why fog lights do not work on Fiat, so check it out. It will teach you what you need to fix. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So specifically we have a 2015 Fiat 500 Abarth, but even if you have a different engine, different configuration, it should work as well. What we have here guys, when you open the hood, you will see next to the car battery you have a fuse box. That's a relay. You will have 3 different kinds of relays usually in your Fiat 500. If you need to buy cheap relays, okay, I will share the link where you can get them from for a good price and quick shipping. If you want to see how to test a relay in just a few seconds, I will put a link to a video that will teach you how to do that, so it will be shared in the description of the video below. This is the main fuse box right here. We need to remove that bolt. You have one more fuse box that's hidden inside the car, and if you want to know where the fuses and relays are, we have that video on the channel. Check it out. Once you remove the fuse box guys, okay, right here you see the relays are marked with T, fuses are marked with an F. But bad news, they're not in order and they don't tell you what they're for. The relay that we need to find guys, actually for the fog lights now, okay, will be known as relay T14, T14, T14 right here. So if you look guys, it will be that black relay, okay, over there, that black relay, okay. It will be the left, from left to right, the second one, from bottom to top, the second one right here. So that relay is for the fog lights. Check this thing out. If fog lights still don't work, check the fuse, and we'll have a special video why fog lights do not work on Fiat. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.